والمحافظة على هويتنا. نحن فخورين بكم وبكل ما قدمتوه من أجل الإمارات. حفظكم الله وحفظكم.
We love UAE. Together we will always be hand in hand across the land. One big heart, one family. أحب الإمارات. I love UAE. From desert sands to shining sea, this is home for you and me. Many faces, many names, different dreams but hearts the same. Side by side we laugh and grow in this place we call our home. We love UAE. Together we will always be hand in hand across the land. One big heart, one family.
J'aime UAE.
J'aime UAE.
I'm UAE.
I'm UAE Spanish.
Ich liebe UAE.
Liebe UAE Sound.
Oh, me.
I'm UAE Portuguese. Voices and eyes in harmony. Love is our identity. Different cultures shining bright. Living here in peace and light. Kindness leads us every day, guiding hearts along the way.
From every corner of the world, every boy and every girl, we all share this dream so true. A better life for me and you. Hello.
Hola.
Hola Spanish.
Marhaba.
We are one wherever we are.
Different words but hearts agree.
Love unites our harmony.
We love UAE. Together we will always be hand in hand across the land. One big heart, one family. أحب الإمارات. I love UAE. J'aime UAE.
I'm UAE.
J'aime UAE.
Ich liebe UAE.
Liebe UAE.
Eu amo UAE.
Eu amo português.
Yeah, UAE se pyare.
Muझे UAE से प्यार है.
Mahal ko Pilipino.
Ninapenda UAE.
Siyacintain gayon.
나는 UAE 사랑해.
We daisuki.
UAE daisuki. We love UAE. We love UAE. Different voices, one big song. In this place where we belong, hand in hand we proudly say, we love UAE. Always, always love UAE. Always, always love UAE.
الإمارات فيها المواطنين.
I'm honored to stand with the UAE Frontliners, the guardians of hope, courage and humanity, who inspired the nation with their selfless service. Thank you for your extraordinary service and immeasurable contributions. Your legacy of heroism will forever remain etched in our hearts. I'm proud to be an Emirati where courage, unity and excellence defines our nation's spirit. Thank you.